قناة السيس عبد الرحيم. عبد الرحيم وكنا gaarigii aan ku wadnaa aadkana ahaana ummada ku dukatay maasha Allah. All of these people يعني الحمد لله we are on our way to our final destination. All of these people have actually made the janazah for them, as you can see, and we are on our way to actually to the cemetery of the Sahaba of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.